Sugarloaf, highest point in Florida with the crew, Florida Moto Vloggers. What's up? Me and Dan are from Georgia, but everybody else is from Florida, I think. Pretty sure. We got Harleys, Triumphs, Groms, Baggers, Dynas. It's good times. Unfortunately, my GoPro died though, so yeah, this is what it looked like. Yeah, this is the ride up until the battery died.
Oh my God, I can't believe you freaking Dyna.
It's blockhead. Yeah, that's, you can't see him, but that's the blockhead. Okay. I'm going to put 2 little boxes. Yeah.
Man, I'm already hot.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Let's do it with Dan. Do it with Dan in the house. Hello. Nice to meet you. I feel so, this is so important. Huge crew here.
Is that hot glue? Huh? Is that hot glue?
Yeah, you got it from my mom, I think.
You're so crafty. Glue on your helmet? Oh yeah, it's hot glue.
I think we're gonna get do it with Dan off of the V-Rod and onto the FXDR.
God, I love doing that. Dude, this thing is so much fun power-wise.
It's going today. V-Rod killer.
That kickstand's sketchy.
Yeah, that's the new kickstand and it sucks.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of that.
For me, the rider triangle is too not what I'm used to.
When you say rider triangle, what do you mean?
Hands, seat, and feet,
yeah,
like
okay.
that angle.
Yeah.
Like for you, that's probably like, yeah, this is what I ride.
Better for people who are taller.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that's how the V-Rod is almost. Like the way the muscle is, like blueprint is almost the same.
Yeah, the Muscle is a cool bike.
What are we riding to?
What does he call it? Sugarloaf or something?
Sugarloaf. Yeah.
Yeah, it is nice up there. I wonder if we're actually gonna ride. We have like a time we have to be back by, and pretty much all we've done so far is hang out, and then we rode a quarter mile, and now we're hanging out again.
I like hanging out.
Yeah. I think that's what we're doing this afternoon, though. Like, I'm almost positive that we invited a lot of people to hang out. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe this afternoon we'll ride. So we're not riding this morning. Yeah, is everybody all paired up on Senna? Do you want to hang out on Senna?
Let's do it. I don't know how to do it. You can help me.
Okay.
I was in it first. On the way back. Intercom.
Oh, mine turned on music. Senna is so hard.
I never do this.
My phone connected, which is gonna make things really hard later.
Are you intercom pairing?
Tell me.
Hold it down for 10 seconds. Yep, you're good now. All right, let go.
Are you still pairing? We should have started this 30 minutes ago. Yeah, it's
beeping?
Yeah, mine's beeping at me. Hello? I got Raj. I think I got Raj. Yay!
Put it in pairing with me when I get.
Are you in here? No. Oh, we didn't get Shadry though. Oh, I gotta disconnect my phone though. Okay. Okay. If you say so.
In there? Are you talking to anybody?
No.
Whatever. I'm not gonna worry about it.
Raj, you get to be in my YouTube video. Yay! Yes, riding with Raj. Give him a follow. So don't hit the bicyclist. Okay. Yes, we are friends. Who's leading this charade? Yeah, Reese is up there. Our matching Dixon flannel guys up there. Yes, sir. We should. Because I think it's really important to own a Heritage with the windshield and a tour pack and to be able to do wheelies. It could be done. Well, they do have to set them up, like dudes riding low tire pressure, different tire, stuff like that, you know? Yeah, that's you need a little sticky tire and all that jazz. I always wanted to be able to do that kind of stuff, but yeah, I had kids instead of a stunt bike, so, you know, what do you do? I like your style. Yeah, I say crap like that all the time. Somebody just ring a bicycle bell? Yep, it just happened. Oh, photogrammer. Yeah, photogrammer's clearing the way for us. Move out of the way, cars. Oh yeah, viewers, Bagger Bro is who sent me the bell that is currently on this bike right here. Yeah, the ride bell. It's very nice of him. I feel very safe from road gremlins during this journey. Oh, Blockhead on his new FXDR. Yes, when this video will be released after Blockhead says that he bought a new bike.
If he got one, then I'm still never be able to. Oh God, big ball.
You know, I actually did end up leading the group, and I have no idea where we are or where we're going. Yeah, I hope we round this corner and they're all waiting on us. Okay. Battery level, super low. Yeah, his taillight is broken now. Yep, it's falling down. He broke it. We'll put that back later. It's a Grohl, dude. At the same time though, you can replace that whole part for $750. So, you know, I mean, I don't think that makes it okay, but I mean, he probably also just ordered one on Amazon and it'll be there when they get home. So, you know, we have motorcycle friends everywhere. Hello. I'm totally tracking that. Yep. Yeah, we'll have to ask him later. Oh, got a little footboard action. It smells like burnt rubber. I hope photogrammer doesn't decide to do a wheelie onto my motorcycle. I love it, except that battery life is lame as f***.
It did go down a little bit.
Mine, I don't know where we were. I don't think I got the roundabout. I think it was dead by then.
Really?
Yeah. You know what's great though? So, GoPro dual charger. Yeah. The USB part on your brand new bike.
I have a USB?
Yeah.
I
So,
don't think the FXDR did.
it should. It's 18 soft tail.
The right biker who was almost out pedaling him.
Oh yeah, that was cool.
Boom!
Yeah, I asked Block.
So,
should we go
in the amount of time one battery goes dead, 2 are charged up in my windshield pouch.
Nice.
Which is like, so I run out of memory before I run out of battery.
Let's see this shit.
All right, let's see it, Tyler.
Third.
That's the only reason I don't want to get one. You can't like just be like, oh,
Behind behind the scenes of the Shade Tree Surgeon channel right here.
Y'all thought I had a bigger camera. Jeez, John Maxwell, save some camera for the rest of us, dude. What the fuck?
It's like the progression of
I'm compensating for something, clearly.
By the way, tag me.
Alright, I'm sold. I'll buy one.
Come on, let's do it.
That looks like fun. That looks like a really gooder time.
That's
right
it.
there.
Shady, that's your buddy, right? That does all the off-road stuff? There's your trainer? You're telling him to like him, yeah.
Best in show.
Thanks for knocking the mud off. Sumo squad.
Hey, Reese. So did the taillight on the Grom get fixed? Which Grom was that?
Oh.
Yeah, snapped right back in. Got breakfast in here.
I've had a multitude of nicknames over the years, one of which was, for a few weird summers, Coondogger. And me and my buddy were Coondogger and Danger. It's a little bit of a team there. So when I very first created a YouTube account, it was Coondogger, and that was in 2005.
Nice.
So
nice.
When I was like, oh, I'm gonna do YouTube, I just like, oh, I'll just leave it. Who cares? So now, like, my URL is still youtube.com/Coondogger 1983.
Mine is actually Forever Trolling 421. It's like, that was stupid.
Yeah. And it's like, I always thought about going to change it. I got like 1,000 subscribers. I was like, I should change that. Then 2,000, like, I should change it. Then it's like 5,000. Like, I can't change it now. I can't f with it now.
Yeah.
By the way, youtube.com/Shade Tree Surgeon does work.
Yeah.
But whenever someone links me and they go to my page,
exactly.
it
If you
shows
copy
the
paste,
old one.
that's what sucks is when you don't know someone's gonna do it. Like every now and then somebody's like, oh, I'll link it in my description. You're like, please use this instead of copy paste.
Yeah, and so this weird ass that people can go, what the fuck, that guy?
Mine is
Coondogger?
mine is the Harley Tech / the Harley Tech.
1903.
On Instagram, and I messaged the dude that has the Harley Tech,
Tyler.
and he doesn't exist in the world pretty much.
Really?
So, yeah, he has 3 followers. One of them is me, so that I can message him and say, "Hey, bro, can I get that? Can I get that name?"
Yeah.
$50. Like,
Yeah, that's what he's gonna go back on there. And be
Never
like,
posted anything. So
saw
if
you
you
on the
know,
come up.
so if any of you guys know Timmy, that is the Harley Tech. That's like his only profile is TIMAAAA.
He's waiting until you're real big. Then he's gonna be like $1,000, dog. That's what it costs.
Right.
That's what time it is.
I gotta be honest, I thought I was gonna get hit for a second there.
I did too. I was waiting for it.
I really thought I was about to get taken out by Grom. Here lies John Maxwell. Died at the highest point of Florida, 13 inches above sea level. Go by Grom. Everybody's waiting on me because my GoPro was acting stupid. Stupid GoPro. Alright. Am I closed up? I'm closed up. Man, it's hot. Why did I put my jacket back on? Yay! Oh, I really thought everyone was like waiting on me and
Apparently not.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, my battery's about to die
stroke.
apparently.
On your Senna?
Yeah.
Yeah. 30K life. I'm just glad I have GoPro battery again. Alright, so this is the neutral race, huh? We're in neutral and we push off from the hill and we're racing down the hill. And what do we have here? Dude, what does that thing weigh? Like 350 pounds maybe? I think Shade Tree wins. Ah, He got... Woohoo! And we're going. We've taken over a fair amount of the pack here. They're really good at neutral racing up here. I really thought Shade Tree was going to take us all out though. That big old monster he's riding. Pretty solid. What are we doing? 45 miles an hour. It's not bad. Not bad at all. That's a solid 4th place. What is really going on right here? Raj, what are you doing? Raj, did your Cena die? I'm thinking so. So this is part of the ride that we missed before on the way up. Like while doing a wheelie, he looked to find out which way to go. I don't know where I'm going. I didn't pass you because I knew where I was going. Where'd you go? Better go. The Grom's got to be struggling right now. The 55 mile an hour speed limit. I definitely missed that whole like cop warning. Y'all probably saw it. That's what the tap on the head is. Oh, my vape isn't in there. Looking for my vape, it's not there. All right, see y'all this afternoon. Oh, I didn't tighten my helmet. I should do that right here. Hello. Well, this kind of sucks. So one thing that I love about Orlando, or Florida in general, central to southern Florida, I've never even been south of Orlando in Florida, but, well, Tampa, I guess. But the weather. I mean, I was freezing just a few days ago. Bundled up, hoodie, leather jacket, the whole nine, just to ride like down the road 2 miles. It was miserable. My face felt like it was like an ice cube. Now here I am, sunny Florida. T-shirt and jeans, riding my motorcycle. As much as I like that, what I don't like about Orlando is that red light, right? Probably right about there. Yeah, that sucks. So that's the Sugarloaf mountain ride right there. I'm actually got my jippus back home because my lovely wife didn't want to freeze this morning or wake up as early as we woke up to come and ride, so she stayed in the hotel room, and now I'm going to meet her for lunch instead of hang out with the guys and eat lunch with them, because I'll see them this afternoon anyway. So since this ride is about to be kind of boring, I'm going to sign off here, and well, Flemis, well, it's going to be a different video. Thanks for watching. I know it's kind of scatterbrained, and yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big dirty thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell notification if you haven't quite got your fix. You can check out a video here and here.